For many years, Mahabharata has given many management lessons to the world. And today we are discussing a nice piece of work by Ramdhari Singh Dinkar ji, a renowned work called Rashmi Rathi, Tritiya Sarg. The third talks about the mediation which Lord Krishna wanted to happen between the Pandavas and the Kauravas. And he in fact himself went on in the court of Indraprastha to convince as a mediator and stop any possible war that could happen. In this, we are discussing how Ramdhari Dinkarji has explained about the entire scene which has happened when Lord Krishna came as an ambassador from the side of Pandavas and requested Kauravas in the Indraprastha to share their wealth, share their land with Pandavas so that they can also live prosperous after they have come back from the exile. वर्षों तक वन में घूम घूम
बाधा विघ्नों को चूम चूम
सह धूप धाप पानी पत्थर
पांडव आए कुछ और निखर
सौभाग्य न सब दिन सोता है देखें आगे क्या होता है। मैत्री की राह बताने को
सबको सुमार्ग पर लाने को
दुर्योधन को समझाने को
भीषण विध्वंस बचाने को
भगवान हस्तिनापुर आए
पांडव का संदेशा लाए।
This is the time you think of a Russia-Ukraine war or take any other conflicts happening across the globe. When India stand up and say that we are Vishwa Gurus, it is actually deriving that power from our own ancient Vedic wisdom and our scriptures like Ramayana, Mahabharata. The intention and the entire motivation or the inspiration is to stop the war. In fact, in those days, when Krishna, who was one of the incarnations of Lord Vishnu, didn't want it to allow this war to happen. And this is the first stanza, talks about how he himself went and mediated in between Kauravas and Pandavas so that these two armies don't fight with each other. And the Kauravas, if they could share the much allocated wealth to the Pandavas as they deserved, this war would not have happened. And this is here the Krishna starts. In fact, Krishna is putting the point of Pandavas in front of the entire court, and he tries to bring the point that if you do a fair play and open to share your wealth which belongs to the Pandavas, this war will not happen. दो न्याय अगर तो आधा दो,
पर इसमें भी यदि बाधा हो
तो दे दो केवल 5 ग्राम,
रखो अपनी धरती तमाम,
हम वही खुशी से खाएंगे,
परिजन पर असी न उठाएंगे।
Now what can you envisage where a mediator who himself is who is an incarnated soul, worship him as God, he is coming and saying that just share half 50-50. I am mediating, I am here as an independent party, two conflicting parties, Kauravas and Pandavas come together, let's solve 50-50, they deserve 50, you deserve 50, because you are son of the same clan and you have come from the same ancestry and the lineage and they deserve the same.
वासुदेव मित्र की भाषा बोल रहे हैं और मित्र की भाषा ये कह रही थी मैं अपना आधा राज्य दे दूं।
Krishna even knew that Duryodhana, who is having ill intention, may not ready to offer that. He may inspire his father to not do so. He would like to keep everything with him because of his arrogance, anger, because of his egoistic nature. So here, Krishna in fact further went and said that if you cannot give everything, just give 5 villages, 5 gram. These 5 villages are enough for the Pandavas to occupy one village each. And they would never say any bad words or bring disrepute to the kingdom.
मैं पांडवों की ओर से 5 गांव मांग रहा हूँ.
We need to understand, will Duryodhan be open to even give 5 grams? The 5 villages, 5 small cities, or town, whatever you call. दुर्योधन वो भी दे न सका,
आशीष समाज की ले न सका,
उल्टे हरि को बांधने चला,
जो था असाध्य साधने चला,
जब नाश मनुष्य पर छाता है पहले विवेक मर जाता है. This is getting interesting. Now, if I tell you about Krishna, he himself is a god. And when I say God, just don't see him as a body, you can see him as a consciousness. And if somebody who is having a small ego and would like to capture and hold the entire consciousness which is in the form of God, the creator, the sustainer, the destroyer, that would be very foolish, isn't it? And that's what Duryodhana is doing here. Instead of understanding the message of a peacekeeper, instead of understanding the message of who is creating deals, who is making that deal happen, and there's no violation, there's no violation. He's came for conflict resolution, Krishna. But Duryodhana, rather than accepting the fact that there should not be conflict, he did not agree to the fact that he will give even 5 villages. Instead, because of his sheer ego, arrogance, lack of understanding about the entire aspect, the way the life operates, with his smallness, small-mindedness, he wanted to capture the big mind, the mind of Krishna, the consciousness of the God.
और तुम्हें बंदी बनाकर कारागृह में डाल देता.
And can you tell me, will that ever happen? ये कभी संभव हो सकता है कि जो छोटा मन है वो कैसे इतने बड़े विशाल मन को, जो कि एक कॉन्शियसनेस और भगवान के फॉर्म में, उसको कैप्चर कर सके? And he in fact said to his soldiers to come and make Krishna a refugee.
सैनिक, इस ग्वाले को बंदी बना लो.
In today's world, if any deal maker or any peacekeeper or any ambassador of any government goes to become part of the conflict resolution process, you can't make hostage of them because he has come independently to solve your problems. But this is a classic case where when the arrogance gets into the head of a person, the ego takes over, then the person forgets and makes blunder mistakes. And that's what Duryodhana is doing with Krishna. Very interesting to know what next happened. हरि ने भीषण अहंकार किया अपना,
स्वरूप विस्तार किया,
डगमग डगमग दिग्गज डोले,
भगवान कुपित होकर बोले,
जंजीर बढ़ाकर बांध मुझे, हाँ दुर्योधन बांध मुझे.
ये देख गगन मुझ में लय है,
यह देख पवन मुझ में लय है,
मुझ में विलीन झंकार सकल,
मुझ में लय है संसार सकल,
अमृतत्व फूलता है मुझ में, संहार झूलता है मुझ में,
उद्याचल मेरा दीप्ति भाल,
भूमंडल वक्ष स्थल विशाल, भुज परिधि बंध को घेरे हैं,
मेनाक मेरु पग मेरे हैं, दीप्ते जो ग्रह नक्षत्र निकर,
सब है मेरे मुख के अंदर,
दृग है तो दृश्य अकांड देख,
मुझ में सारा ब्रह्मांड देख,
चर अचर जीव जग,
अक्षर अक्षर नश्वर मनुष्य सुर जाति अमर,
सतकोटि सूर्य सतकोटि चंद्र,
शतकोटि सरित सर सुंद मंद्र,
सतकोटि विष्णु ब्रह्मा महेश,
शतकोटि विष्णु जलपति धनेश,
सतकोटि रुद्र सतकोटि काल,
शतकोटि दंडधर लोकपाल,
जंजीर बढ़ाकर साध इन्हें,
हाँ दुर्योधन बांधिने,
भूलोक अतल पताल देख,
गत और अनागत काल देख,
यह देख जगत का आदि सृजन,
ये देख महाभारत का रण,
मृतकों से पटी हुई भू है,
पहचान इसमें कहाँ तू है,
अंबर में कुंतल जाल देख,
पद के नीचे पाताल देख,
मुट्ठी में तीनों काल देख,
मेरा स्वरूप विकराल देख,
सब जन्म मुझी से पाते हैं फिर लौट मुझी में आते हैं,
जिह्वा से करती ज्वाल सघन,
सांसों से पाता जन्म पवन,
पड़ जाती मेरी दृष्टि जिधर, हंसने लगती है सृष्टि उधर,
हंसने लगती है सृष्टि उधर, मैं जब ही मूझता हूँ लोचन,
छा जाता चारों ओर मरण,
बांधने मुझे तो आया है,
जंजीर बड़ी क्या लाया है,
यदि मुझे बांधना चाहे मन,
तो पहले बांध अनंत गगन,
सूने को साध न सकता है वह मुझे बांध कब सकता है. Here is an interesting fact, if you see the entire explanation, in the entire Mahabharata, Krishna has shown his divine Swarupa, I would say, the Ananta Swarupa. You just can't see from this natural eyes, you need a divine eyes which he only gives it, and she is like a complete consciousness. And such a big form he has shown it to Arjuna in the battlefield. और दुर्योधन के अहंकार को बताने के लिए भगवान ने अपना वो विश्व रूप दिखाया उस सभा में हस्तिनापुर में, जहाँ पे सभी राजा धृतराष्ट्र, बाकी गुरु भी थे, द्रोणाचार्य भी थे, भीष्म पितामह भी थे, दुर्योधन भी था वहाँ पे, और वहाँ पे बहुत सारे सैनिक थे और अलग राज्यों के लोग राजा आए हुए थे जो युद्ध में शामिल हो रहे थे कौरवों की तरफ से. उन सब को उन्होंने अपना ऐसा विकराल रूप दिखाया और बताया कि हाउ अ स्मॉल माइंड कैन make the God, which is all-compassing, omnipresent, omnipotent, omniscient being, into just small limited mind approach. That is not possible. That's how Krishna is explaining that if you have enough of capability, first go and capture and bind the whole world, which you can't. So how can you? Because I am that, I am not this. The basic mistake which Duryodhana did was he could not even understand the greatness in Krishna. He could not understand that he is a form of God. And finally Krishna has to say, हित वचन नहीं तूने माना, मैत्री का मूल न पहचाना, तो ले मैं भी अब जाता हूँ, अंतिम संकल्प सुनाता हूँ. See, you get goosebump, when you see the God himself saying that now he is taking a sankalpa, he is taking a vow. I came here to give you peace. I didn't want the war to happen. I came for conflict resolution. You're not accepting that. I gave you alternatives. which is most beneficial to you, still you don't know to share alternatives. So it becomes you are very greedy. You are not following the dharma, the righteousness.
जो कुछ भी वासुदेव ने कहा वही धर्म है.
Dharma doesn't mean religion, it being true to your actions, righteousness. Therefore Krishna has to take the vow.
तो ले, मैं भी अब चाहता हूँ,
अंतिम संकल्प सुनाता हूँ,
याचना नहीं अब रण होगा,
जीवन जय या कि मरण हो.
टकराएंगे नक्षत्र निकर, बरसेगी भू पर वहनी प्रखर,
फणशेष नाग का डोलेगा,
विकराल मुंह खोलेगा,
दुर्योधन रण ऐसा होगा,
फिर कभी नहीं जैसा होगा,
भाई पर भाई टूटेंगे,
विष बाण बूंद से छूटेंगे,
वायस श्रृगाल सुख लूटेंगे,
सौभाग्य मनुज के फूटेंगे,
आखिर तू भूषाई होगा, हिंसा का बरदाई होगा. When the God himself confirms your wrongdoings and decides your time, what can you do? After the Krishna showed his magnanimous Swarupa to everybody, in that court it was just silence. थी सभा,
सब लोग डरे,
चुप थे,
या थे बेहोश पड़े,
केवल दो नर नागाते थे,
धृतराष्ट्र विदुर सुख पाते थे,
कर जोड़ खड़े प्रमुदित निर्भय,
दोनों पुकारते थे जय जय.
दोनों पुकारते थे जय जय. रश्मि ऋषि का ये तृतीय सर्ग उस बात को दर्शाता है कि जब भी कोई व्यक्ति, anybody like Duryodhana, which is a form of ego, tries to challenge the self, the Atma, the consciousness, the bigger mind, like Krishna, he will have to definitely understand the Krishna in the form of consciousness is way more superior, and a small mindedness ego has to dissolve in the big consciousness and the big mind like Krishna. Thanks for watching, and I hope the key management lesson you will take away home, which could be not being so arrogant, egoistic, understand the proposal, understand what is good for everybody, don't be so greedy, you should be fair and righteous in what you do, and respect and know that there is bigger mind which is all encompassing, all pervading, and guides us for the right path. Thanks for watching the Upskill School.